what you see depicted here is the evolution of rice cultivation over the years. So traditionally we would have used bulls, but as time progressed, and if we really want to accelerate the vision for 25 by 2025, we have to evolve how things are being done, especially in the rice industry. So we would have started with the bulls, and as time has progressed, we went into mechanical land preparation. And in terms of sowing, traditionally it was done with men. It's still being done by men, but then it's also being done by the drones, the spreaders, and aircraft.
Can you just quickly tell me a bit about how the drones work
Okay,
in terms of spreading the rice?
So there's a specialized drone, and they have different capacity that we're able to spread the rice. But in terms of cost of production, the farmer needs to really look at that. I think they're more geared towards the spreaders because that's more affordable, and the farmers that are much more affluent they're more prone to having the aircraft done. Yes. And with any crop you have pest and disease affecting your crop, so you need some sort of preventative action. So in terms of chemical control, you use men with knapsack traditionally, but over time we see the drone coming on board and aircraft as well. So things have really evolved, and we're happy about that, and we can only get better. So we're trying to move away from drying on the road, and they have different drying and cleaning facilities in different parts of the region. There's one in MMA, there's one in Blackbush, there's one at the research station at Grdb. So farmers can tap into those resources if they want to come and dry their seed paddy.
We are tasked to experiment on the utilization of our locally produced rice into value-added food products. So we did an experiment on, as you can see from the poster there, we did an experiment of different proportions of rice flour and wheat flour. And the best fit one that was similar to 100% wheat was 20% rice, 80% wheat. So our products here are made of 20% rice, 80% wheat. Yeah, so we experimented on locally consumed products that Guyanese people like. We did pastry, we did bread, we did all kind of cakes, we even did sweetmeat, pancake.
And we are now promoting the introduction of the Brazilian variety, the 3 years variety, and we have it here available for people to buy it for half the price, because one would cost about $2,000, so we make it available today to them for $1,000, but we limit the amount that we give to people, right? And the coconut industry is expanding phenomenally now, because for the past 2 years we have projected that it would have increased by 1,000 acres per year, but actually in 2 years it has surpassed 5,000 acres. In terms of future plans, we have a couple. The first one is that we will be looking next year to introduce as many new varieties as possible in the system in Guyana, because we need an introduction as many varieties as possible. Because one coconut variety will take approximately 15 years to develop. So we can't wait 15 years, so we'll have to buy it. Wherever we find varieties that are suitable for introduction into Guyana, we'll go ahead and purchase it and bring it into the country.